Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll explain what is the Gracenote and how to manage it. Gracenote in Mazda CX-30 is basically built-in music database system inside car's infotainment. Gracenote is used to recognize and display music information when you play songs via USB, Bluetooth, and CD if it's equipped. It can automatically show song title, artist name, album name, genre, and album network. The car has stored database from the network service. When a song plays, the system tries to match it with its database. If it finds a match, it displays full details plus album art. You can update Gracenote via USB to get newer songs and artwork. Updates improve recognition and fix missing info. Why is it useful? This function makes your infotainment screen looks cleaner and more informative. Works even without internet since database is stored in the car. But there are limitations. If a song isn't in database, info may be missing or wrong. Sometimes it overrides your own music tags. To check Gracenote database info, let's go to System Settings and go to Gracenote Database Update. Here you can check update history and current version. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.